The last video in this 4-tip tutorial series. This is a trick that everyone in the industry uses. It's very simple but works great for your drawings. It is flip your canvas. The advantage is that you can view your work with fresh eyes. When you're working on your drawing, you start developing a blind spot for your mistakes. So by flipping your canvas horizontally, a lot of those mistakes will suddenly appear. This is easy when you're working digitally, of course, but if you're working on paper, you can hold your drawing in front of a light to check your mistakes. This is great for checking if your composition is correct, because most of the time you can see that your drawing is hanging towards the left or right, or that proportions are a bit strange. You can do this quite often during sketching so that you can achieve a good result as quickly as possible. These were the 4 basic tips that will hopefully help you with your drawing skills.